Hello students, today we will do exercise 1.2 of chapter relation and functions. Now let us start with the introduction to the exercise. Now functions, what are functions? Let A and B be two non-empty sets. A relation f from A to B, and you all know that relation is a subset of A cross B. A cross B means Cartesian product of set A and B. Now a relation f from A to B, that is a subset of A cross B, is called a function from A to B if these two conditions, it should fulfill these two conditions in order to be a set. That is, for each A belongs to set A, there exists B that belongs to set B such that A, B belongs to F. Now, second condition is AB belongs to F and AC belongs to F implies that B equal to C. Now this A, here A is the set of domain and B is a set of codomain. Now what does these two mean? Now first of all, in easy language we will understand this first point. Now for each A belongs to A, there exists B belongs to B such that AB belongs to F. This means that every element of domain has image in codomain. Now, every element of domain should have an image in codomain. That means I am taking two sets. This is set A and this is set B. Now set A is the set of domain and the set B is a set of codomain. Now if I take three elements A, B, C in domain, and here P, Q, R are three elements of domain and codomain. Now if P is image of A, Q is image of B and R is image of C, then it will be a function. Here every element of A has a image in codomain. Now here if I take another two sets, suppose again A, B, C, D, and here P, Q, R, it is suppose C set, it is D set. Now it is set of domain and D is set of codomain. If I say here that Q is image of A, P is image of B and R is image of C, then here if you see here there is element D in domain which doesn't have any image, so it is not a function. So what do you understand from it? There should be no element in the domain which doesn't have any image. Now second point is A, B belongs to F and AC belongs to F implies that B equal to C. Now what does this mean? This means that no element of domain can have two or more than two images in codomain. Now here also here we are saying that image of A is B and image of A, if image of A is C in a function, then this B and C will be same elements. And in other language you can say that no element of a domain can have टू और मोर देन टू इमेजेस इन अ कोडोमेन. एक से ज़्यादा इमेजेस नहीं हो सकती हैं किसी भी डोमेन के एलिमेंट की. एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. यहाँ पे एक सेट ए है एंड देयर इज अनदर सेट B here. Now if this is a set of domain and this is set of codomain, A, B, C, D are the elements of domain and P, Q, R, S are the elements of codomain. If the images of A are P and Q, and here B has image R, C has image S, and D again has image R. Second example I am taking here. This again X, Y. This is set of domain A, B, C, and this is set of codomain Y, P, Q, R. Now if image of A is Q, image of B is P, image of C is R. So what is here in the first, if you have relation, what we are seeing that A and this A has two images P and Q, and according to our definition, a function in a function that the element of domain can have two or more than two, cannot have two or more than two images in codomain, and here the element A has two images in a codomain, so it is not a function. The second example, if you see, each element of a domain has a unique image in a codomain. Now there is no element in a domain which has two images, so it is a function. So understood? ये दो चीजें ध्यान में रखनी है आपको. एक कि डोमेन के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट की एक इमेज होनी चाहिए. ऐसा कोई एलिमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए डोमेन का जिसकी की इमेज ना हो. दूसरा, डोमेन के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट की एक ही इमेज होनी चाहिए, एक से ज्यादा इमेजेस नहीं होनी चाहिए. जैसे यहाँ पे ए की दो इमेजेस हैं, ये नहीं, इस वजह से ये फंक्शन नहीं है. यहाँ पे प्रत्येक एलिमेंट, डोमेन के प्रत्येक एलिमेंट की एक एक इमेज है, तो ये एक फंक्शन है. Now we will study about different types of functions. Now there are four types of functions: one function, many one function, onto function, and into function. Now what is one function? One function is also called injective function. Now a function f x to y is defined to be 1 if the image of distinct elements of x under f are distinct. That is, for every x1 x2 belongs to x, that is set of domain fx1. If fx1 equal to fx2, then it implies that x1 is equal to x2. Now we will understand it with the help of the example. Now suppose this is a function f x to y. Now here x is a set of domain and y is a set of codomain. Now see here. Now if you take a function as f x equal to 2x, suppose this is a function. Now there are two sets, x and another is y. X and y, x is domain and y is codomain, set of codomain. Now here 1, 2, 3. If these three numbers are here, and 2, 4, 6. Now if you see here from this function, what is saying fx equal to 2x. This is the value of fx. Codomain is the value of fx and this domain is the value of x. Now if you take x as 1, we are getting 2 into 1 as 2. The image of 1 is 2. Here again similarly, if you take x as 2, so 2 into 2 will be 4. The image of 2 is 4 and image of 3 is 6. Now as it was defined earlier that a function f x to y is defined to be 1 if the image of distinct elements of x under f are distinct. That means every element of a domain should have a distinct image in the codomain. प्रत्येक एलिमेंट जो डोमेन का है इसकी एक इसकी अलग अलग इमेज होनी चाहिए। किन्हीं भी दो एलिमेंट की एक ही इमेज नहीं हो सकती। तो इसे हम दिस इज कॉल्ड वन वन फंक्शन एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इंजेक्टिव फंक्शन। नाउ सेकंड वन इज मैनी वन फंक्शन। नाउ मैनी वन फंक्शन, as the name suggests, many one means if more than two elements have the same image, then it is called many one function. Now see here, if you take a function f(x) to y, fx equal to x square, again same, this is the these are the values of x and these are the values of fx. This is domain and this is codomain. Now see here, if you take x as minus 2, x square will be 4. The image of 2 is 4. Again, if you take minus 1, then square of minus 1 will be 1. Square of 0 will be 0. Square of 1 will be 1. And square of 2 will be 4. As we see here, this minus 2 and 2 has the same image, that is 4. And minus 1 and 1 has the same image, that is 1. So what we are seeing, for many elements of the domain there is one image. तो दिस फंक्शन इज मैनी वन, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, नाम से ही पता चल रहा है मैनी वन, बहुत सारों के लिए एक। तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारों के लिए, जैसे माइनस 2 और 2 के लिए एक ही इमेज है, ये है 4। तो इस फंक्शन को मैनी वन कहेंगे। अब आपके पास थर्ड टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन, ये है ऑन टू फंक्शन और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सर्जेक्टिव फंक्शन। नाउ व्हाट इज ऑन टू और सर्जेक्टिव फंक्शन? हियर every element of codomain is image of some element of domain, means जो कोडोमेन का प्रत्येक एलिमेंट है, किसी न किसी डोमेन के एलिमेंट का इमेज होना चाहिए। ना यहाँ पे हम एक फंक्शन ले रहे हैं fx to y। नाउ fx इक्वल टू 2x, नाउ दिस 1 2 3। तो again similarly as we have done earlier in one function, image of 1 will be 2, image of 2 will be 4, image of 3 will be 6. So there, for every element of the codomain, now here see, every element of the codomain is image of some element of the domain. So this is one function. Now fourth one is onto function. In onto function, if any element of codomain is not the image of any element of domain, then it is onto function. Now see here, suppose I am taking a same function fx to y and fx equal to 2x, and the elements of domain are 1 2 3 and elements of codomain are 2 4 6 8. Now see here, the image of 1 will be 2, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 6, and this 8. The element 8 is not the image of any of the element of the domain. 8 छूट गया यहाँ पे, इमेज इसकी, ये किसी की भी इमेज नहीं है। तो देयरफॉर दिस फंक्शन इज इनटू फंक्शन। तो ये समझ में आ गया। तो ऑनटू फंक्शन में क्या होता है कि जो आपके कोड डोमेन के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं, ये किसी न किसी डोमेन के एलिमेंट की इमेज होनी चाहिए। और अगर ऐसा होता है कि कोई एलिमेंट छूटता है कोड डोमेन में जो किसी की भी इमेज नहीं है, जैसे यहाँ पे 8 है, तो इसको हम कहते हैं ऑन टू इनटू फंक्शन। नाउ अब आप एक बार दोबारा समझ लेते हैं इसको। नाउ सी हियर, आई एम टेकिंग टू सेट्स ए एंड बी। ए डोमेन है, बी सेट ऑफ को डोमेन है। नाउ हियर इमेज ऑफ ए इज पी, इमेज ऑफ बी इज आर, इमेज ऑफ सी इज Q and image of D is S. Now अगर हम इसको देखें किस तरह का फंक्शन है, तो यहाँ पे प्रत्येक एलिमेंट जो डोमेन का है, फॉर एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ अ डोमेन देयर इज अ इमेज इन कोडोमेन, और प्रत्येक एलिमेंट की एक ही इमेज है। तो इसका मतलब ये कौन सा फंक्शन है? वन वन फंक्शन। अब साथ में वन वन तो हो गया, लेकिन अगर हम देखें सेट बी को देखें या सेट ऑफ कोड डोमेन को देखें, तो इसमें कोई भी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं छूटता है जो कि किसी की इमेज ना हो। तो इसका मतलब ये ऑन टू भी है। तो ये फंक्शन आपका वन वन ऑन टू फंक्शन हुआ। नाउ सी हियर, वन वन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इंजेक्टिव, ऑन टू इज कॉल्ड सर्जेक्टिव। और वन वन ऑन टू, अगर कोई फंक्शन, इफ अ फंक्शन इज वन वन एंड ऑन टू, दोनों के दोनों है, देन इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड बाइजेक्टिव फंक्शन। नाउ सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज नाउ हियर अगेन दिस इज सेट ऑफ डोमेन and this is set of codomain. Now see here, A image of A is P, image of B is Q, image of C is P, and image of D is R. So what is here? Now see here, two elements A and C has the same image P. So many one. For many elements of the domain there is one image. So this is many one. Now again here no element is left behind, which is not the image of the element of the domain. It is many one function plus it is also onto function. Now third type of functions here. Now here every element of the domain has a unique image in codomain and different distinct image. प्रत्येक की अलग अलग इमेज है. तो क्या 1 1 1 1 है, तो इट इज 1 1 फंक्शन. बट हियर S is an element which is not the image of any element of the domain. तो S को डोमेन में ऐसा बच रहा है जिसकी जो किसी की भी इमेज नहीं है. तो इसका मतलब ये क्या है? इनटू फंक्शन. तो इट इज 1 1 इनटू फंक्शन. नाउ इन फोर्थ केस, नाउ सी हियर A and B has the same image P. तो क्या many one तो है, तो many one है. But there is S left behind in codomain which is not the image of any element of the domain. तो ये क्या हो गया? Into. तो यह many one into function. बच्चों बेसिकली ये जो चैप्टर आपका फंक्शन है इसमें आपको मेन जो चीज ध्यान में रखनी है वो रखनी है आपको ऑन टू 1 1 ऑन टू फंक्शन. तो आपको 1 1 और ऑन टू अच्छी तरह आनी चाहिए. यहाँ पे इन टू और मैनी वन फंक्शन आपके पास है नहीं सिलेबस में. तो ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड कि 1 1 ऑन टू क्या हुआ और 1 1 इनटू कौन से फंक्शन होते हैं. नाउ अब हम देखेंगे कि किस तरह से हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे इसके. नाउ यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन है, सो दैट द फंक्शन f नेचुरल नंबर टू नेचुरल नंबर given by fx equal to 2x is 1 1 but not onto. Now you have to prove this function has 1 1 but not onto. Now for this, now suppose if fx1 is equal to fx2, 1 1 प्रूव करने के लिए हम इसी तरह से प्रोसीड करेंगे. We will take fx1 equal to fx2. Now what is x? X is this one and fx is this one. So x should be natural number and fx should also be natural. Now see here, if we take fx1 equal to fx2, then what we are getting? fx1. Now value of fx is 2x, the value of fx1 will be 2x1. Now equal to fx2 will be 2x2. Now from both sides we can cancel out 2, so we are getting x1 equal to x2. Now if on taking fx1 equal to fx2, if you get x1 equal to x2, then this function will be 1 1. Now how is the, now here we are saying that if the image of two elements x1 and x2 is same, then what it is giving? It is giving that those two elements are same. That means every element of the domain has a distinct image. So we can say, so every element of domain has a distinct image in codomain. Thus function f is 1 1 or injective function. Now we have to prove whether it is onto or not. For that what will we do? We will take this fx as y. So on taking fx is equal to y. Now if you take fx as y, what we are getting here? Y equal to 2x, and from this we will find out the value of x. So this will give us y equal to 2x. In place of fx, we have taken it as y equal to 2x. Now from this we will get x equal to y upon 2. Now we have to see that for every value of y, does x exists? means for every value of y means for every value of y is this fx. We have taken fx as y. So for every value of fx, that is for every natural number, क्या x की वैल्यू भी नेचुरल आती है? तो यहाँ पे we can give example. Now see, for if I am taking y as 1, 3, suppose I am taking as 3, this is a natural number, and here we need y as natural number. So what will be x? X equal to 3 by 2. And what should be x? X should be a natural number, and here we are getting x as 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 is not a natural number. What does this mean? So that means every element. Now see here, this, what does this mean? Now these are two sets of natural number, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 6. From this one 2x, तो into 2 करेंगे 6 आएगा. 4 will be somewhere here 8. Now these elements 1, 3, 5, these are not the image of any element of the domain. That means यहाँ पे ये एलिमेंट छूट जा रहे हैं, तो that means this is not one onto function. So we can say so every element of codomain is not the image of element of domain. यहाँ पे दही 3 किसी की इमेज नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो इसका मतलब क्या है? thus the function is not onto. तो ये क्या होगा? into function होगा. Now we will come to exercise 1.2. So that the function f such that r to r defined by fx equal to 1 upon x is 1 1 and onto. You have to show that this function 1 1 onto where this r star is a non-zero real number. Is the result true if the domain R is replaced by n and codomain being the same as R star? Means if we replace this domain R by n, so the result will be true or not. It will be 1 1 onto or not. Now first of all we will prove that this function is 1 1 or onto. Now solution will be f r star tends to r star. We are taking this function first, and fx is equal to 1 upon x. Now see here, for fx1 equal to fx2. Now if the range या image of x1 is same as x2, then what we are getting? Now fx1 we will put it here 1 upon x1, and fx2 will be 1 upon x2. Now on taking reciprocal of both sides, we are getting x1 equal to x2. Means if x1 and x2 has same image, then this x1 and x2 are same. That means for every element of a domain, there is a unique image in codomain or distinct image in codomain. So that means this function is 1 1. Now after this, in order to prove onto, we will take on taking fx equal to y. Now fx equal to y means fx was 1 upon x, so y will be 1 upon x, and from this we will find the value of x. So x will be 1 upon y. Now for y belongs to real number, non-zero real number. Now if y is non-zero number, what will be 1 upon y? 1 upon y will also a real number. Or reciprocal of real number is a real number if it is a non-zero real number. 1 upon y, value of x, that means x is also a real number. So we can say for every real number in y, that means for every value of fx, fx is a codomain, And what is x? X is domain. So for every value of codomain, we are getting a element of domain. Now that means this function is 1 1 on 2. 1 1 we have proved earlier, and this function is on 2 also. Now if a function is 1 1 on 2, you can also say the function f is 1 1 and on 2, thus it is a bijective function. Now in second part of our question, he was saying if we replace the real domain by natural number, then what this function will be 1 1 or onto or not. Now for this I am taking fx1 equal to fx2, and from this we are getting x1 equal to x2 as we have obtained earlier. So every element of the domain has a unique image in codomain R. Domain is natural number. Now this x was natural. So this one natural number, and codomain means value of fx, and that was real number. Now so we are getting codomain was a real number, so we are getting the distinct image for every element of the domain. Therefore it is 1 1. Now on taking f of, in order to prove on 2, now we are taking fx equal to y. If we take fx equal to y, the y will be 1 upon x. Here we have taken fx as y, the y will be 1 upon x. Now now you know that x is a natural number. Here x is a natural number. If you take any natural number x, suppose I am taking 2 natural number, so we are taking x, yes. Now see here fx equal to y, the y will be 1 upon x, and this will give us x equal to 1 upon y. Now here y was a real number. Here he is saying that this y means value of fx, and value of fx is this 1 upon x, and this is real number. Here also this will be a real number. Now if y is a real number, suppose 2 is a real number. Now 2 that belongs to real number, so what will be x will be 1 upon 2, and 1 upon 2 is not a natural number. And what do we need? We need value of x as natural number. Here x has been changed to natural number, and this 1 upon 2 is not natural. That means here element 2 in codomain, element 2 y is a codomain, element 2 of codomain is not the image of any element of domain in N. So f is not on 2. Now in your second question, you were saying you have to prove that whether these functions are injective and surjective or not. So in question number 2, first part, we are f natural number to natural number is given by fx equal to x square. Again, as we have done earlier, we will take fx1 equal to fx2, and we are getting x1 square equal to x2 square. X1 will be equal to x2. So that means f is 1 1 or injective. You might say that x1 square equal to x2 means x1 equal to plus minus x2, because square of the negative number is same as the square of the positive number. But here we are taking x as natural. The natural number is not negative, so I haven't taken here the negative of x1 or x2. x1 equal to x2. In case of natural, we will get x1 equal to x2. Now again similarly, in order to prove on taking fx equal to y is equal to x square, and value of x will be root y. Now if we take y as 2, because y, this one is x and this one is y is also a natural number. If we take y as 2, this is the natural number, what we are getting x we are getting as root 2, and root 2 is not a natural number, whereas we need x as a natural number. So we can say that 2 is not the image of any element of the domain. Therefore f is not on 2. Now the same there is same question here, same function, but we have changed the domain and codomain, set of domain and codomain. Now see here, real numbers can be positive as well as negative. You can proceed like the first part, and here we will get x1 equal to plus minus x2, because here we are not talking about natural numbers, we are talking about real numbers, and negative numbers are also real numbers. So here we can solve it by example f minus 1. If we take minus 1 is real, f minus 1 will be minus 1 square will be 1, and f1 will be also 1. So that means minus 1 and 1 has the same image, that is 1. So it is not 1 1, it is many one function. Two elements have the same image. Now on taking fx equal to y, we are getting y is equal to x square and x equal to root y. Now here we can take y any real number. Y is real. Here y is real. So we can take it any real number. So we are taking it as minus 2. You can take 2, 3. Now minus 2 belongs to R. Now x value of x will be root minus 2, and root minus 2 is not a real number. That means minus 2 is not the image of any element of the domain. That means f is not